Hello foodies, today we are going to make easy Rava Modak. As Ganesh Chaturthi is fast approaching, it is the best time to make these Rava Modaks or Rava KHOVA Modaks, which are so easy to make, they're delicious, and these are a terrific form of prasad to Lord Ganesha. Let's see how we make it. This is so simple to make. You can make it in 15 to 20 minutes. It's such an easy recipe. You only need very few ingredients, rava or semolina as they call it, and some KHOVA or MAVA, some sugar, milk, and you're good to go. And in a pan, let's have some amount of ghee. Ghee is essential because it gives the kind of binding that is needed for modak. Now let it fry. Then right through, we'll have it on medium flame. That is when we'll get the best modak mix. Now a cup of semolina or suji or rava, and cut badam. You can also have any other dry fruit at your home that you have, maybe like pista, some cashew nuts or walnuts also if you want to be innovative, and some amount of KHOYA or MAVA as they call it. Now this gives right amount of texture or the binding that the modak needs. Mix it really well. It also gives some nice taste. And mind you, this is unsweetened KHOVA. You can even use sweetened KHOYA. In that case, you maybe have to cut down on the amount of sugar that you use. Mix it really well, and a cup of sugar and hint of cardamom powder. Mix them well together. Modaks, well, they are so easy to make, but again there are plenty of mistakes that one can do, so don't overdo sugar. At the same time, don't add less of it as well. Just add right amount. And this is saffron strands put in some amount of milk. This gives nice color and taste. And as soon as we add this, we are also going to add boiled milk. Add enough and sufficient amount of boiled milk to the semolina or suji in the pan. Mix it well and ensure that it is on medium flame right through, and mix it well. Keep stirring at intervals, and you need to ensure that you get nice thick consistency. So once they are thick, you can put them in the mold and make modaks, or even make it through your freehand techniques. Keep stirring it. You need to get a nice thick consistency. As you see, we need it to be even more thick, even thicker. Just keep running through it. Now this is, I think, the right consistency that we need. Let it rest there. This is the technique of most sweet shops. What they do is they let it rest in the pan itself so that it gets the nice amount of warmth that it needs. It also has the flavor and the essence. So the modak stuffing or the mix is ready. Now we'll have to make our modaks using the mold. Now keep it aside like a batter. Remember, this is ready, and we are not going to fry it or cook it in a cooker. This is ready to eat. We just have to put it in the mold. Now before we put it in the mold, take some amount of ghee to just grease it so that it remains non-sticky. Just a hint of ghee, not a lot in this step. Now take the modak mix and put it in the modak mold. You just need to put it in it for half a second, and you'll since it's in the pan, it has the enough warmth, so easily it will get into the modak shape. So yeah, take the right amount of mix that you need, stuffing that you need. Just set it. It will just take half a second, and then the modaks are ready. And yeah, this is ready. This is actually available in many shops outside. So this is a single piece mold. There are 3 or 5 5-in-1 molds as well. You can use those as well. Just some amount of ghee again. Take the right amount of required mix or modak mix that you need. Put it in there. Put it in the mix. It just needs half a second, and it will be in the modak shape. Grease it well. Take the amount of modak stuffing. This is very easy to make, and modaks have always been the favorite dish of Lord Ganesha and also his devout followers. So this is so easy to make. You can make it in 15 to 20 minutes. It's that easy. But you need to be careful with the consistency. You need to get the right amount of thick consistency, and and you're good to go. So this Ganesh Chaturthi, do try this out. This is so easy to make. These modaks are the best prasad that you can make for Lord Ganesha this Vinayaka Chaturthi. And Rava KHOYA modak are ready. These are so easy to make. You can make it in within 15 to 20 minutes. It is as easy as it is. So the team of Easy Indian Recipes 1K wishes you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Let's hope this year brings you a lot of joys, successes and prosperity. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for your support. And Ganapati Papa Moria.